What's up, you guys? It's Sam Helps 26 here, and we're back again with our My Legion secret journey promoting our team funnel, multiple income funnel, and our other landing page, which is another team funnel, which we consider to call it, and it is called the Power Lead System. And for the start of the video, like we usually do, I will give a short introduction of what the My Legion secret is for the newer people. So what it is a mailing system. We're going to be mailing out our affiliate offers for people interested in the business and making money online niche. And every day it's automatically, I don't know why I couldn't think of the word, but automatically these leads are going to be imported into your mailing system every day, and you're going to get 200 to 100, or 100 to 200 I should say, every single day. And the 200 is for if you have one referral underneath you, then you'll get the 6,000 leads per month. And then if you don't have anyone signed underneath you, you only get 3,000 per month. And then you also get a $5 bonus commission for every month that person stays signed in underneath you. So that's it for the beginners. And for the people that came for the results, we're going to get into that now and see how many clicks we got yesterday from the emails that we sent out. So this is going to be, we're mailing out through 3 different accounts, and we're signed in underneath each one. So this is the first account with 11,900 leads. So since I get 200 every day, I have 2 people underneath me. This is just for newer people. See, this is my third account, and this is another person I got mailing through the system that I do get a commission for. So with that being said, and then also today I'm going to be able to mail to 12,100 leads now, because I get that 200 additional to this 11,900. So this is the opens we got and clicks. Not too bad, I guess. We're starting to get over 100 clicks per day on all of our emails. So that's kind of where you want to get to, where you're getting 200 to 500 clicks once your leads do build up. So on every account, that's why you want to have more than one account, so these do add up, because every 500 clicks, if you're not getting a sale, then you'll know to switch offers. But yeah, this is pretty decent for how many we sent out. And the 24 hours still hasn't fully lapsed yet, so yeah. And then here's the email we sent out. We had it formatted so it looks a little different from the normal email we usually send. And let's go see what we got on our second account. And this is just so people could get an idea of what it looks like when you're signed in under multiple accounts. Not to try to slow things down or prolong these videos, but this is just kind of for the newer people. We're not going to always go through every single account and look at results, but here it is for my second account. See, pretty much the same thing. Clicks, so that means all together we got about 200 clicks. 200 plus clicks, that is. And then on my third account, I'm mailing the same email, but we're using the My Legion secret affiliate link for the link inside of the email on our third account. So this is just kind of a rundown what it looks like when you're sending out every day. These leads do start to build up. So, all right, let's go take a look at what some of our results are for our power lead system. And the power lead system is pretty much going to be a funnel that helps you run your own business and helps you create your funnel pages, and has its own built-in autoresponder. And you could also get your generation classes and email swipes. It comes with pretty much everything in a box. If you have a business outside of the online niche, like let's say for example a lemonade stand, this is going to be your number one page to start promoting it and getting sales with it. And all the training that people buy within it, if you become affiliate, you will get front end sales for everything that people buy inside of this system. And this is also a part of the multiple income funnel, so it also has its benefits to your front end sales when people sign up under your multiple income funnel affiliate links as well. So this is pretty much all the different levels that you could sign in under. You got your gold level, emerald level, diamond level, platinum level, and then you got your elite level. And for each one, you could get different commission sales for people that sign in underneath you, and whatever they buy is going to be a different commission rate for whatever level you're signed in under. So that's what this is for pretty much a short preview. But we're going to go to our commissions to see if anybody signed in underneath our free affiliate link that we promoted. And we have no commissions yet. But we're going to stay hopeful and keep on sending it and putting it as our tagline. So then we'll go to multiple income funnel, which is our main link that we promoted inside of the email. Because the power lead system is just we put it as a tag, so we probably are getting a lot of clicks on it, but you can't really track it on there. So we're gonna be able to look at the actual results and see what people are clicking on when we go to our tracked links in the multiple income funnel. So here is where you send out all of your social media links, and you can track them and sort them out all right here on the Done For You page. And just real quick for the people who don't know what multiple income funnel is, it's your 4 income streams, your multiple income funnel, which is going to be your sales letter that you get a reoccurring commission of $20 when someone signs in underneath you. And that is going to do all the selling and telling for the whole system. And then the power lead system, which we just went over here, is right here as one of the income streams. Your text bot is going to be your automatic text messaging that does all the promotion for you automatically. You could set your own automatic responses through text messages when you get your leads imported. And traffic authority is pretty much the heart of the whole system, where you get all your traffic from top tier quality countries such as America, Canada, New Zealand. But this is where you're going to get all your packages, and you'll be able to promote the system. Or they also have their own affiliate program inside of Traffic Authority, where you could also get paid through there too. So that's pretty much a short rundown for people who haven't been following the journey. And then we'll look at some results here for our links. Let's see, we got one new lead, it looks like. We had 16 yesterday, so we got a new lead. And then we got a lot more new hits. We got 1,245. And these leads do get followed up for you with 50 automatic email auto responses that the system does send out for you. So that's one cool thing about the system, is that when people do see your video sales letter, that it hard codes that affiliate link to them, so they will have to go through your link to see that video again, so you won't get cheated out of any of your commissions. So all these leads that are adding up, will definitely be having to follow up with them as well, but it's already following up for us. So that's one cool thing about the system. But definitely make sure you get your own personal autoresponder and follow up with these leads, or it's just gonna be wasted money. But yeah, so that's it for the results on that, guys. And I'll show you also another video that will be coming out on the weekend and this is also going to be my affiliate link in the description, is a home business academy, where I'm going to be getting a lot of my email swipes that we're going to be sending out. And this is a $25 business that shows you how to run your own business, and it comes with so much good, pretty much teaching you how to run your own business information, and showing you how to get traffic and all types of just good stuff inside of it. Like, I couldn't even tell you where to start with this thing, but there's gonna be a whole video of me giving you guys a rundown of how this works. It's pretty much the whole idea behind this is to start a business for $25 and make $100,000 within 1 year. But this is just a piece of what they're giving you. Inside of it is paid email swipes that are at a $495 value. You get 50 of them. And then when you sign in underneath me, since I already have paid for it, under the My Legion secret, you guys send me that text message with the phone number that's right there on the screen, and then I'll send you all 50 of these email swipes straight to you, so you could start using these too and getting the sales that convert. But I already have one of them pre-copied, so I'm going to be using one of them today to see how well they convert when we send it out through the My Legion secrets. But yeah, this is I'll give you guys a preview of one of them. This is pretty much all email swipes that are paid for and written by a professional that doesn't even create emails anymore. And you only get it when you join this academy that is a $25 value. So you're really getting a lot for $25. And then then if you don't even want to spend the $25, all you gotta do is just create your next My Legion secret account underneath me, and I'll just give you these 50 email swipes for free. So you're gonna be saving $495 anyway, plus the 25. So I'm giving you a $500+ value of email swipes for free, just to make your own account and keep on getting your own commissions and sending out your emails. So that's pretty much it for what this is going to be for a future video. We're going to go into a lot more of what this website's about and what we're going to be getting out of it, and how we could use it to correlate with our My Legion secret journey as well. So I'll show you one of the emails that I'll be sending out tonight. Nope. This is going to be our second account. We got 12,100 leads we're sending out today. And you see I do have my 200 leads. Put my subject line in. see a pretty crazy subject line right here. So I'm interested to see what happens when people start opening it up and clicking on the links, or how many opens it gets, if it gets any at all. Okay, so I already have my email pasted. I'm gonna hit perfect timing. Have our lead selected, hit preview. Go through your email, make sure it looks pretty. This is what I'm sending out. And you always click on your links to make sure it goes to the right place. So when I click on absolutely free, that's going to bring us to our power lead system, where we're not getting any sales yet, but we're hoping to get it soon. And then when you click at the save yourself restoration, I've put highlights. That's been what's been, I think, getting us a lot of clicks. So I keep running with that and see how it works for our list. So I highlighted that yellow, and then it brings us to our multiple income funnel page with our video sales letter. So just send that out now. Everything works. And then I'm gonna copy and paste it, do the same thing in my other account, guys. And hopefully these paid emails convert. Again, go ahead and shoot me that text on the screen to that number if you guys end up signing up underneath me, and then you're gonna get my paid email swipes that are 30 of them, and then plus you're gonna get the 50 from the home generation academy. So the link to that is in the description. So you're gonna get 80 email swipes all together, all proven to have made sales before. So I don't know why you wouldn't want to take that opportunity, but it's completely up to you if you want to take a chance and start getting sales. And then we're gonna go right into here to my second account, do the exact same thing. Oh, sorry, it's the second account again. We wanted to go to the first since we already started out on our second. Click here, select all your leads. We got 17,000 today. We're just gonna do the exact same thing we did on the second account. There's our crazy subject line so we could get some opens. I have my email already pasted here, so I have perfect timing, just like we did on the other account. Hit preview. We already know our links work, so we're not going to click anything and make everything restart the page. Just click send. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. You're just copying and pasting. And then we're gonna see some results soon. I'm not really in a hurry to get sales because this is just the journey, like it is stated in the title of this video. So we're just copy and pasting to see what works and what doesn't. And hopefully we see sales here pretty soon, which I'm strongly sure that we will see. And if you guys are needing help with getting sales or need some information or tips, text that number. But I am giving a lot more attention to my team members before, so they are a priority. So if you're not underneath me, it probably will be taking time to get to you because I'm already in so many different groups and so many different chats trying to communicate with different people on this program that it's just not gonna be worth it to give my time to people that haven't applied themselves to the system yet. So yep, it really is what it is. So that's it for today's video, guys, and leave me a like if you got some value out of this. If you didn't, give me a comment. Let me know what you want to see for the next video and what I could do differently. And that's it, guys. Be easy.